leaving in 10 minutes, so get yourselves ready to go. Okay.
Right folks, this walk run today was done in aid of prostate cancer, a very serious illness to men in their late 50s and 60s. I'd like to thank everybody who turned up here today and supported this walk. There's hundreds of people doing this walk today. And to the organisers, and I'd like to tell men that it's called the silent killer. If they could go and get checked, even a simple blood test called a PSA blood test, which a lot of people can find out to have it, or go and tell your doctor to get you a PSA test, because a lot of men are told it's wear and tear. And to everybody in the community, thanks for supporting us today for prostate cancer. Thank you.
Today we had over 100 people over the mountain. Weather conditions, I think it was actually perfect. Earlier on the day with a bit of rain and whatnot, but cleared up regularly. I thought it was a brilliant day. I want to thank a few people, Caulfields, Tony and Donal, for helping us out, and thank everybody who took part. Today we did this, and the charity nominated was Prostate Cancer, and we've raised some funds and some awareness of that. Brilliant day, getting people onto the mountain and bringing people together. Great event, and again, thanks to everybody.
Just on behalf of CSP and the Committee of Feeling McLeody Gorma, we'd like to welcome you all to our annual Black Mountain Run Walk.
But the winner, past the line first, was Kane. Well done. And this year's winner says Newhill. Team Newhill. Okay, then we have the Walkers Award. This is the Cecil Adams Black Mountain Walk Award. It was close, very, very close. With Kate Pollock, she's about 80, isn't she? Give her a nice round of applause. And we had Margaret Garland.